Money on my mind.
Oh yeah, them
How
other
much
keys.
decimal? Stack it, then I spin it. There ain't nothing else to do. Still an animal. Even though a nigga left the zoo.
I had it on that.
Here I come, here I come, here I come. Chill out.
What up, man?
We been drinking, you know. Chill out.
Oh, that's the best. What?
Regardless though. They don't close all the way. You got me, kid?
Yo. Hey, give me one too, yo. Hey, IC.
I'll get three, kid.
My niggas
Four.
will take your life, leave your brain
Leave it, I'm gonna
in the middle of the street for days. Young boys squeeze and aim, cause I send them to the store with 50 or more and let them keep the change. If it's heavy on the cut, when you steam the cane, no matter what size the coke is, the things complain. I got them spoiled, I agree, I'm the same. I really touch cake. I was eating off the work, lunch break. Homie, I was dumb straight with crack dro and X by the O. Call it tic-tac-toe. Shit started off sort of slow. Now we be getting birds from Baltimore. Now I don't mean the Ravens or the Orioles. So ain't no telling what I do to you, bastard. Still long and black, like funeral traffic. On some bunk bed shit. Sit two in a casket. When I catch a nigga sleeping, that's what usually happens. I be higher than an addict. Yeah, I smoke enough for both of us. If you afraid of heights, don't even reach for the Dutch. In less than a month, blow a pound on you. Purple bags everywhere. Now I don't even drink Crown Royal. Y'all loyal, but niggas from another breed. So now I gotta keep my friends closer than my enemies. Instead of dad for me, give them a hug. I'd rather clap them and give them a slug.
Give me one of them Corona.
No, they said 3.
I told you to bring me a Corona.
They said 3.
Yeah, 2 Coronas and a damn Bud Light.
That's what I brought. I thought.